Hello, I'm Dr. Apurva Kangude. I'm a physiotherapist at Pearl Women's Hospital and Yash IVF. My role here is as a women's health physiotherapist. It is a very common myth that pregnancy means a complete pause in your regular lifestyle, which is not so. And here at Yash IVF, we believe that you have a fit pregnancy and a very smooth labor and delivery. So my role here is to help you have a very fit pregnancy, deal with your body aches and pains, help you cope with your hormonal imbalances, and to have a safe and a happy labor and delivery. Physiotherapy not only helps you cope with the body aches and pains, but helps you manage them and keep them at bay with regular exercises and posture correction and a few changes in your lifestyle here and there. And we here aim at improving your lifestyle and making you healthy and fit physically as well as mentally. For further information, you can contact us at the number given below or at the website and meet us at the clinic. Thank you.